FibroHeat Swimming Pool Heat Pump. With this large capacity heater, you may extend your swimming season this year. The FH255 has a 55,000 BTU output and is rated to heat above ground pools up to 21-foot circular or 15 by 30 feet oval, as well as in-ground pools up to 10,000 gallons. Maximized energy efficiency features a Copeland high-pressure differential compressor and a titanium heat exchanger to reach a COP of 5.92. In other words, for every dollar of power, the FH255 will output an equal 5.92 times of heat. Before we sign off, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more top-rated product roundups. Your support means a lot to us. And lastly, we'd love to hear from you. If you have any experience with these heat pumps, or if there are other models you'd recommend, leave us a comment below. We always appreciate your insight and feedback. Until next time, stay cool and swim happily with the perfect heat pump for your pool.